Congratulations. Thank you, Your Majesty. I'd like to maybe call on you maybe in next few weeks, if possible.
Capres nomor urut 2 Prabowo Subianto menerima ucapan selamat terkait Pilpres dari Raja Yordania Abdullah II. Ucapan selamat itu disampaikan Raja Abdullah II melalui sambungan telepon yang diunggah di akun Instagram Prabowo pada Selasa 12 Maret. Prabowo merasa terhormat atas ucapan selamat yang diberikan Raja Abdullah II. Dalam kesempatan itu, Menteri Pertahanan itu juga sempat mengobrol dan bernostalgia dengan Raja Yordania. Awalnya Raja Yordania menyampaikan bahwa dirinya bahagia dan bangga kepada Prabowo. Ucapan itu langsung disambut antusias oleh Prabowo. Prabowo pun berjanji akan menghubungi Abdullah II dalam beberapa pekan ke depan untuk berbincang kembali. Niat tersebut disambut hangat Raja Abdullah II yang juga ingin bertemu lagi dengan Prabowo. Raja Yordania juga menyampaikan bahwa Indonesia membutuhkan sosok seperti Prabowo sebagai pemimpin yang baru. Ia merasa sudah mengenal Prabowo lama dan menganggapnya sebagai sahabat. Prabowo lantas menyampaikan terima kasih atas persahabatannya yang telah terjalin. Lalu Prabowo bernostalgia kenangan bersama Abdullah II saat berada di Aman. Sementara itu melalui keterangan unggahan, Prabowo berjanji akan meningkatkan kerjasama antara Indonesia dengan Yordania.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I'd like to maybe call on you maybe in next few weeks, if possible.
And when the time is right, I want to come and visit you and congratulate you in person. I am so happy for you, and I know that your country needs you. I've needed you for a long time, and I couldn't be prouder of my friend.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. I really value your friendship, and I hope to see you as soon as possible.
Anytime and anything you need,
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. I look forward to see you again.
Well,
I have fond memories.
I think please call me Abdullah.
I have fond memories of Aman. Fond memories of Aman.
I have fond memories of you too, my dear friend, and I'm so hearing your voice today put me in a very good mood. Thank you so much.
My best regards to Her Majesty. My best regard to Her Majesty, and to Prince Faisal, Prince Ghazi. I would like to meet them all again.
I would love to. I told my wife today that I was calling you, and she was so excited. She sends her best wishes, my dear friend. We'll see you soon, either in my country or yours.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you. Great honor.
Take care.
Great honor. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.